Struggling to hire the right person for the job? With talent shortage, employee retention, and other ongoing market challenges, hiring can be a feat. And that's why we're here to help you. Welcome to Lynx International, an award-winning Asia HR solutions provider and your trusted talent solutions partner. For over 25 years now, we've helped companies like yours attract and retain top talent. We handle the entire candidate journey for you, from start to end. Access a wide pool of talent with our specialized retained executive search, contingency search, and recruiter on-demand services. Elevate employee morale and workplace culture through our employee assistance services. Strengthen your reputation as an employer with our employer branding services. We specialize in recruiting for a wide range of markets. With our customized recruitment solutions, you won't have to worry about costs or time constraints. We've crafted 20,000 success stories. Yours could be next. Ready for our tailor-made talent solutions? Get in touch with us today.